Adobe's Creative Cloud is widely regarded as the gold standard in the creative industry. But it's not the only option. There are excellent free alternatives that deliver top-tier results. Whether you're a graphic designer, video editor, or photographer, this guide will introduce you to the best Adobe alternative professional-grade tools that won't cost you a dime. When it comes to video editing, DaVinci Resolve stands out as a powerful and cost-effective alternative to Premiere Pro. Its free version offers an impressive array of features, particularly in the realm of color grading, providing access to high-end tools at no cost. If DaVinci Resolve doesn't quite fit your style or the learning curve is too steep, Kdenlive and Shotcut are excellent open-source alternatives that require a lower learning curve. Both are full-featured editors that are not only powerful, but also user-friendly, making them excellent options for those transitioning from Premiere Pro and After Effects. For those looking to add professional-level visual effects to their projects, HitFilm Express is a top choice. It offers a range of tools, including motion tracking and 3D compositing, that rival those of After Effects, making it a compelling and cost-effective alternative. When it's time to work on your thumbnails or photos, Photopea is an excellent alternative to Photoshop. It's a browser-based tool that functions just like Photoshop and can even open PSD files so that you won't miss a thing. Another powerful option is GIMP, an open-source classic that gives you layers, advanced brushes, and tons of plugins across Windows, Mac, and Linux. It's a solid choice for photo editing and manipulation. For vector graphics like logos or illustrations, Inkscape is your go-to alternative to Illustrator. It's perfect for creating crisp, scalable vector art and works seamlessly with SVG files, giving you professional-grade results without the cost. If you want to take things a step further and animate those graphics, Blender is the ultimate alternative to After Effects, with a full suite for 3D modeling, animation, and compositing. It can create stunning visual effects and animate characters. If Blender feels a little too complex and you're just focused on 2D motion graphics, Cavalry is a sleek, modern tool that's perfect for the job. For node-based compositing, Natron is an excellent open-source replacement. And if you're into traditional 2D animation, OpenToonz is the real deal. So good that Studio Ghibli uses it, and it's completely free. Next up, if you're designing interfaces and need a replacement for Adobe XD, Figma is the industry standard. It's incredibly generous with its free tier, offering real-time collaboration on wireframes and prototypes. For other great XD alternatives, Penpot is an open-source option that you can even host yourself, and Lunacy is a speedy offline tool with built-in design assets, perfect for quick mockups and UI work. When it comes to photo management, if you're looking to replace Lightroom Classic for raw processing, Darktable is a fantastic option. It offers non-destructive editing and batch processing, making it a powerful tool for photographers. Another solid Lightroom alternative is Raw Therapy, which gives you detailed control over your RAW files. For organizing your creative assets, Digicam is a great free replacement for Adobe Bridge. If you're working on print layouts like brochures or magazines, Scribus is an excellent replacement for InDesign. It's a professional desktop publishing tool that handles everything from color management to PDF export. And for all your PDF editing needs, instead of paying for Acrobat Pro, PDF Exchange Editor is a fantastic free tool for annotating and editing PDFs. For simpler tasks, WPS PDF Free is also a solid choice. If you're looking to dive into web and asset creation without relying on Adobe's pricier options, there are some fantastic free tools that can do just as much, if not more. For starters, if you're missing Dreamweaver, Visual Studio Code is the way to go. It's lightweight, powerful, and totally customizable for any web development project. Whether you're coding a simple page or a complex website, VS Code has all the features you need without the cost. When it comes to 3D texturing, Armor Paint has got you covered. If you've ever used Substance Painter, you'll appreciate Armor Paint's ability to paint directly on your models. It's perfect for creating high-quality textures for your 3D assets, and it works seamlessly with PBR workflows, which means you can get realistic results without breaking the bank. Now, if you're dealing with video files and need something to compress or convert them, Handbrake is a must-have. It's an easy-to-use open-source tool that lets you optimize videos for any project. Whether you're working on a quick upload for social media or a more detailed video for a client, Handbrake handles the job effortlessly. Speaking of social media, Canva and Designer are fantastic alternatives to Adobe Express for creating graphics on the fly. Both tools offer tons of free templates and make it so easy to design professional-looking posts in just a few clicks. You don't need to be a graphic designer to create stunning visuals, and these tools make it all happen without any hassle. So, whether you're coding a site, texturing 3D models, compressing videos, or designing eye-catching social media posts, these free tools have everything you need to create like a pro, without the Adobe price tag. For all your audio needs, if you're looking for a replacement for Adobe Audition, you can't go wrong with the legendary Audacity. It's been a go-to for years. For something more modern and streamlined, Awesome Audio is another fantastic option that's super easy to use and still packed with powerful features. Always remember to check the official websites for the latest updates and system support to ensure you're getting the most out of these tools, which I have linked below in the description of this video. And just like that, you've got a complete, professional-level creative workflow, all for free. Pretty awesome, right? If you found this helpful, I'd really appreciate a quick thumbs up. Feel free to share it with a friend who could use some savings. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Got any questions or want to share your experience with these tools? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Ready to save even more? In the next video, I'm sharing 10 free programs that will replace everything you're paying for. Don't miss out on these game-changing tools. Click to watch now and level up your creative workflow without spending a dime. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!